BMW R50 by Analog Motorcycles. Earlier this week, we asked the builders in the Bike EXIF panel if there were any motorcycles that they wouldn't dare customize. Answers were variations of yes, with one panelist in particular opining that rare vintage survivors should be left as such. Many petrol heads share that view, and most would probably consider a 1958 BMW R50 one such motorcycle. Tony Prust confesses to loving the challenges of older, more rare motorcycles though. So, when owner Alex Pearsall asked him if he'd be willing to customize his R50, Tony was all ears. The R50 rolled into the Analog Motorcycles shop in a pretty sad state. Alex had ridden it in the past, but it had stood for a number of years. His requests were simple. He wanted a reliable runner with aggressive tires, blue paint, and a brown seat and grips. I took some time over the following days to absorb those ideas, says Tony, but I wanted to make sure the final product would be more custom than just paint and seat color. Then inspiration hit. I have been working closely with a shop called Freeform Design, explains Tony. I've used them for a couple of one-off parts, including a Thruxton tail tidy that will be sold by British Customs. I pitched Alex the idea of giving the old Beamer some modern flair with bespoke, CNC billet items. Once Tony had designed the parts, Freeform Design rendered them digitally and CNC cut them from 6061 aluminum. The final list included a new top triple tree, headlight airs, tail light, fender struts, seat bracket assembly and even a pair